So this is the top to the bottom of this page. Taking the ruler and making sure that 0 is up at the top, and rotate it down at the bottom until 9 is there, so it's at an angle. And just put a mark right at 3, just a dot. If you put it what they call a caret, you can barely see it, but it's just an angled piece. And rather than having to worry about it being horizontal, just repeat it down a little bit further down the page. So here's 0 with 9, and here's another 3 mark, and the caret is just a little piece like that. If I did it on a scrap piece, you'd see it. Make it bigger. It's doing that so I know that that's the corner that I'm trying to line. If you just put a mark or a line, you're not sure where that starts or stops. And then just give yourself a light line. In this case, I'm going to do this in the pen. And it gives me a vanishing point to the right where it intersects, and all the way over to the left. So it's going to be a series of sketches, but the first thing is just trying to get a rectangular shape like we've done before, only draw through it. It's going to be on the left-hand side. So off to this edge, right here, just going to create a vertical line. Okay, and as it starts to the left, just going to keep it light. Don't necessarily have to go all the way to the edge, but just give me that line. And then over to the right. This one I'm going to add to it. I'm going to go very thin all the way to the edge, and all the way to this edge here. Okay. Now within here, I'm going to make just a rectangular shape, and I'm going to put this in the pen. So I'm just going to randomly pick it from here, lining up my ruler on the base of the page right here. And this one I'm just going to do the outline. I already have this vertical. And then I'm just going to make this about a little bit longer. Make it vertical here. Okay, and like I said, we've done this before. This is going to be a little bit of measuring using the part there. So there's that section. Just for starters, this piece. Rotating it across. Putting it here. I don't know where that's going to end, so I'm just going to begin with it there. So it's giving me that shape, and it's just going to be a segment on how to find the dimensions or the depth. So what you do is you're just going to cross the diagonal just to find the center. You can see I didn't need to draw all the line. And now from that point to the right vanishing point, I'm just going to make a line that goes all the way to the top. So now I have the top of this and the bottom. And all you do is take it from this corner, pass a line through here, and it's going to be the central piece as I line this up. Right to here. I don't have to draw the line, but I can see where it's coming, and it intersects the base. Once I find the base, here's the intersection, make sure it's vertical. I just draw that vertical up. And what I've done is I've measured from here across using that principle and just repeating this from here to the center of here. So the new corner to this center, it passes through. I'm not going to draw it, but just going to make the point and just rotate this. Then just do this for a series of 5 squares. So here's this point. Here's the same. Here's the corner. It's just repeating this pattern. Goes through the center. And this is a very helpful way. It's showing a way of measuring things in the distance in equal proportions as they go back. So you just have to be concerned. So I have 1, 2, 3. I just need one more just to do 5 of these. Come back and line this one up to the center. And there you have it. Now all I'm going to do is keep 3 of these. So I'm just going to lightly put a pencil line here. So the first one I have, the third and the fifth one I'm going to keep. So I'm just going to take the pen, highlight that one, take the pen here, highlight that one. Verticals are very easy. It's already sketched out lightly in the pencil. You can use the graphite or a blue pencil, but this gives me that section. And now I can go back. So I'm just going to take all these back. So you can see the rectangles go into the vanishing point back there. At the top. Kind of see it. Just line these guys up here. Let's see where this goes back. So this might overlap it right there, so you don't have to worry too much. And then just drop your verticals down. And you have this section right there. And there you go. So it's a third of the way down from the page. 3 equal distance shapes, equal distance apart, equal in size. All set up just by using that measurement from finding the center, creating that line, and connecting it to locate all these pieces going up.